All right, so we are determining the solution. We have two equations, so we're going to graph these. So for line 1, my slope is 1/2, and my y-intercept is 2. So start at 2, and then 1/2 means I go up 1 and right 2, up 1 and right 2, up 1 and right 2. And I'm going to connect this with a long line, and I'm going to add arrows. Then change colors. For line 2, my slope is, it says negative x, so that means my slope is negative 1/1, and my y-intercept is 5. So my slopes are different. That means I have one solution, right? The slopes are different, so these lines will cross. So 5 is my y-intercept, and since it's negative 1, I go down 1 and to the right 1, down 1. See that point right there where they cross? That's the solution. Oops, my line's not perfect, sorry. The solution is here at 2, 3. So on the next slide, since it has a solution, we're going to check. So the solution is 2, 3. Okay, so since there's a solution, we're going to check. We're going to plug in, remember, the first number is x, the second number is y. So in the first equation, instead of y, we put a 3 in its place. We write the 1/2, and then the parentheses. We're going to put the x. It's 2. I'm going to write it as a fraction since I'm multiplying by a fraction. And then I add 2. So what is 1/2 of 2? Half of 2 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 equals 3. It works for the first equation. We have to make sure it works for the second. Instead of y, again, we put a 3 in its place. Don't forget the negative. Instead of x, we put a 2 in its place, and then we add 5. Negative 2 plus 5 is 3. Both equations check, so I can box my final answer.